YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about Golang. So what is Golang? It is a statically typed and procedure programming language having syntax similar to C language. Nowadays there are so many popular programming languages that are used to build services and systems such as Node.js, PHP and Python. And all of them are having their advantages and disadvantages. So it depends on what a programmer will use a particular programming language for. If you need to write a program with a very efficient concurrency but still readable, I will suggest you to go with Golang. Golang has become one of the most trending languages in the developer community because Go provides the best of both worlds by striking a balance between dynamic and statically compiled languages. The language is very easy to read, the specification is short, but even so it includes built-in web server. And let us see why we should learn Golang. Before you learn any language, you should always know why you are learning the language. Every language has a special purpose and the very same goes for Golang. So why exactly should someone learn Golang? Well, Golang was built by Google to help solve problems faced by developers at Google. At Google, lots of big programs are built for big server software that runs on massive clusters. Before Go, Google was using languages like C++ and Java to solve problems. But these languages didn't really have the fluidity and ease of construction that was needed for problems of such scale. Keeping these things in mind, a few years ago, Ken Thompson and Robert Greiser thought about building a new language, what would be good for these kind of problems, and hence Golang was born. Basically, if you are trying to solve problems of enormous scale or just need efficient scalable code, Go should be your go-to language. My suggestion is Go is the best language to work with enormous scale of projects. After this, you people will ask is Golang is easy to learn? My answer is yes. Golang is a very small, simple and minimalist. It only has a handful of features. To learn Golang, if you have an understanding of C-like syntax and object-oriented terminologies, then you can easily learn and use Golang. And also, the main purpose of designing Golang was to eliminate the problems of existing languages. So let us see the problems that we are facing with the Java, Python, C or C++ program languages. First I will compare Golang with Java. Comparing to Golang, Java has a very complex type system. And one more programming language we use is Python. Comparing to Python, it is very easy to use but slow in compared to Golang. And one more programming language we use is C++. So comparing to Golang, C++, it is a very slow compilation time as well as complex type system. So comparing to C++ with Golang, C++ has a very slow compilation time as well as complex type system. Also, all these languages were designed when multi-threading applications were rare, so not much effective to highly scalable concurrent and parallel applications. Threading consumes 1 MB whereas GoRoutine consumes 2 KB of memory. Hence at the same time we can have millions of GoRoutine triggered.